In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add FAQ in Shopify product page. To get started, sign into your Shopify admin and open your storefront settings. From the left sidebar, choose Online Store, then open Themes. Click Customize, which opens the theme editor for your current theme. Inside the editor, we want to work on the product page layout. In the Preview pane, click the product page area so the left panel shows its sections. If the editor loads somewhere else on the page, use the Skip to Content link at the top of the preview to jump straight to the main content area. That makes it easier to find the section we need. In the left panel, locate the section labeled Frequently Asked Questions or FAQ. Click it to reveal the accordion-style rows. Open the first row to edit it, then move through the next rows the same way. You'll see each entry has a question field and a content field. Click into each Frequently Asked Questions row, update the question title, and add a clear, concise answer below. Repeat this for each row you plan to show on your product page. If you see an entry titled, "How much does shipping cost?" That's a good example to customize. Replace the placeholder text with your own shipping details. If a setting asks you to link the answer to another resource, choose None when you want the answer to be plain text only, and then confirm by clicking. Select to apply that choice. Use the highlight controls in the editor to focus on the element you're editing in the preview so you can see exactly what changes. Continue opening each Frequently Asked Questions row until you've reviewed all of them. Keep your answers specific to the product, avoid jargon, and aim for 1 to 3 short sentences per answer. Order your questions from most common to least common, and keep the wording consistent so customers can scan quickly. When everything looks right in the preview, return to the top of the left panel and click Save. Saving publishes your FAQ updates to the live product page. Finally, use the device preview icons to spot-check your FAQs on desktop and mobile, and test an actual product page on your storefront to make sure the accordion opens and closes smoothly. That's it. Your product page now includes a clean, helpful FAQ that reduces support tickets